Hey there, Buy Smart fam! Welcome back to the channel where we save you from making terrible purchasing decisions. Today, we've got a drone showdown that's hotter than your grandma's chili. In the left corner, we've got the Holystone HS175D, and in the right corner, the TOMZON P5G. Buckle up because this is going to be one heck of a flight. Let's start with the one thing that makes all of us cry: our wallets. The Holystone HS175D will set you back $229. That's right, folks. For the price of a decent microwave, you can have a flying camera. Now over to the TOMZON P5G, which costs $159. Ah! The sweet sound of saving $70. You could almost buy a second drone or, a week's worth of avocado toast. All right, let's talk cameras. Both drones are packing 4K ultra-clear cameras, but Holystone comes with a 110 degrees wide angle and 90 degrees adjustability. It's basically the yoga master of cameras. TOMZON, on the other hand, gives you a 120 degrees wide view and the same 90 degrees adjustability. It's like TOMZON saw Holystone's camera and said, "Hold my propeller." Reviewers love the picture quality on both, but Holystone edges out slightly in stability. Now, what good is a drone if it crashes into your neighbor's cat? The Holystone HS175D offers up to 46 minutes of flight time with 2 batteries. That's almost enough time to watch an episode of your favorite show, or to panic about losing your drone. TOMZON P5G gives you 36 minutes of flight time with its 2 batteries. So it's a bit like that friend who leaves the party early but still had a good time. Reviewers say the Holystone offers impressive stability and ease of flying, while TOMZON is also stable, but has louder motors. Both drones come with GPS auto return. The Holystone will come back to you if it loses signal, goes out of range, or just gets tired of your terrible piloting skills. TOMZON says, "I can do that too," with its high-precision GPS and auto return. Just in case it decides it's had enough of your backyard. Reviewers appreciate the GPS function in both drones, with Holystone being particularly praised for its reliable GPS pairing. Holystone's foldable design and carrying case make it super portable. You can take it anywhere, except maybe a no-fly zone. And it's under 250 grams, so no FAA registration. Less paperwork, more flying. TOMZON also comes with a waterproof carrying case and weighs 238 grams. So you can take it to the beach and pretend you're a professional drone pilot. Just don't let it go swimming. Reviewers love the portability of both, but some mention that TOMZON's compact design is a plus. Let's talk bells and whistles. Holystone has intelligent functions like Follow Me mode, custom path flight, and even takes selfies when you pose. Say cheese. TOMZON also offers Follow Me, Circle Flight, and custom path flight through its Flycam app. Plus, it's got beginner-friendly modes. It's like the drone equivalent of training wheels. Reviewers find Holystone's features to be intuitive, while TOMZON's beginner modes are highly appreciated by new users. When it comes to online reviews, the Holystone HS175D is highly praised for its stability, ease of use, and picture quality. Reviewers appreciate its reliable GPS function and long flight time. On the other hand, the TOMZON P5G is lauded for its affordability, stability, and ease of use, especially for beginners. However, some users reported issues with the drone flying away and not returning, and a few had trouble syncing with newer phone models. So there you have it, folks. The Holystone HS HS175D versus the TOMZON P5G. Both are awesome drones, but which one you choose depends on whether you want to splurge a bit or save some cash. Either way, you'll be flying high. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Until next time, happy flying, and remember, buy smart, not hard.